Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Unplug the Samsung Type-C cable and work in a ventilated area away from batteries and metal. Wear eye protection and use ESD precautions to protect electronics and yourself. Gather tools now: wire cutters, precision wire strippers, a small soldering iron, rosin flux, and 3.5 mm heat shrink tubing. Also prepare a multimeter to test continuity and a third hand to hold wires steady. Keep a damp sponge and fume ventilation nearby to control soldering residues and smoke. Cut out the visibly damaged section of cable and measure carefully before cutting. Strip about 3.5 inches of the outer jacket to expose internal shielding and wires. Peel back the braided shield and locate the drain wire and 4 insulated signal wires. Separate the red, white, green, and black wires and trim soldered ends for clean joins. Apply a small amount of rosin flux to each conductor to improve solder flow and prevent cold joints. Tin each conductor lightly with solder for reliable rejoining. Align matching colored conductors carefully and hold them with a third hand or tweezers. Solder each pair using a steady iron and minimal solder to avoid bridging adjacent pins. Slide a 3.5 mm heat shrink over each individual joint and shrink with controlled heat for insulation. Then, slide a larger outer heat shrink sleeve over the entire repair for strain relief and permanence. Trim any excess braid and test continuity, and correct voltage with a multimeter before reconnecting to a device.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.